Welcome to today's market report.
European stock markets are set to see mixed trading on Wednesday, pausing after further records on Wall Street as investors digest recent economic data ahead of a key speech from the head of US Federal Reserve. The DAX future contract in Germany traded 0.1% lower, FTSE 100 rose 0.1%, CAC 40 climbed 0.1%. Tuesday saw a mixed trading season on Wall Street as the rare pullback in Apple stock hurt the Dow Jones Average, which fell 60 points or 0.2%. However, the S&P 500 gained 0.4% and the NASDAQ jumped 0.8%, both settling in record territory. Investors have been buoyed in recent days by signs of the COVID-19 virus receding and the Trump administration forcing the pace of authorizing treatments for it, as well as by progress in trade relations between the US and China. However, economic data has shown a mixed picture as far as the global recovery is concerned. In Europe, the German IFO survey showed stronger than expected business sentiment, but consumer confidence dropped to a more than 6-year low in the United States this month, data showed on Tuesday, overshadowing a boom in new home sales. Renewed COVID containment measures and cuts to Fed unemployment benefits appear to be offsetting any positive boost from rising equity markets. According to ING, with sentiment at its lowest point since the start of the crisis, it reinforces the view that the second phase of the recovery story will be slower going. With the light data calendar on Wednesday, investors are looking into Thursday's Jackson Hole Symposium, where Fed and Chairman Jay Powell is due to give a speech for further guidance on the central bank's monetary policy framework review. Oil prices were higher on Wednesday, continuing to post gains after settling at 5-month high on Tuesday, as US producers prepared for the onslaught of Hurricane Laura by shutting most of their offshore output. US crude traded 0.1% higher at $43.38 a barrel. Brent rose 0.2% to $46.36 per barrel. Gold future rose 0.1% to $1,923.90 per ounce. On the FX front, GBP USD seesaws around the intraday low of 130-132, currently at 130-138, following its pullback from 131.58 before Wednesday's London Open. In doing so, the cable fails to extend the previous day's recovery moves, the exception in the last 4 days, amid the US dollar pullback. With the market's cautious move ahead of the key events on Thursday and Friday weighing on the pair, news suggesting the UK government's push for the coronavirus trials seems mostly ignored. Cable's potential decline to the 129.80 region looks to have been losing momentum as of late, following the US push to find the pandemic's cure, either via rushing for vaccine deals or authorizing plasma usage for treatment. The British policymakers also lose strength for UK British drug maker AstraZeneca has begun testing an antibody-based cocktail for the prevention and treatment of COVID-19, adding to recent signs of progress on possible medical solutions to the disease caused by the novel coronavirus, said Reuters. The University of Cambridge is aiming to make a vaccine that will not only protect from SARS-CoV-2 but also other related coronaviruses that may spill over from animals to humans.
Eurodollar
faces rising bets of a move below 117.40 in the next weeks. The US dollar nursed losses against most currencies today as traders braced for US data expected to show a slowdown in durable goods orders.
This is today's market news. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.